chalk on these birds that I got from Chalk Couture. I think it was December. They were on sale for like $3.60. And I stocked up because I love birds. And the transfer that goes with it, this is part of it. The other one is kind of more Christmassy. A little bit. It's got some pine cones. But I'm going to use this more whimsical one, and as you can see, I've used it before. But today I'm going to turn these birds into more of a Valentine, into little lovebirds. So that's the project for today. These are all the things you get with the birds. They each have 2 wings that you can glue on with these, and one wing can be for the front and one for the back, because you can do both sides. And there's also the little, transfers for the wings. So to Valentine them up, I'm going to use my good old crimson shimmer paste. So I need this. Again, you can reuse these over and over, which I love. Sometimes, I don't know, 10 or more times maybe. And once they dry, they get sticky again. So you take some of that stick off with the fuzzing cloth. Oh, this is easy to line up. Nice. Okay. Just lining up the edges. Okay. And everything that's clear, that you can see the white through, is what's going to have paste. And everything that's this teal color will not have paste. So carefully, I'm going to use this fine tip and do some spots in silver. I'm just all about, silver and red this Valentine's Day. Oops, gotta make sure I'm in the camera there. Now the shimmers do take longer to dry because we don't want the paste to dry in the transfer. That's why I have a bucket of water right nearby so that I can, sorry about that, that's not, okay, so that I can soak my transfer so the paste doesn't dry up in there. It's like silk screened transfer, so there's all these little holes in it that the paste just gets pushed through. Just making sure I got everything. What else should I do? Silver, I'm going to do this. Make sure my camera's focused. Usually I get really close to it on the table, but kind of doing it in the air for this fine-tuning part. Okay, the rest is going to be all red. So I'm going to use, this guy. And I have paper beneath the kind of, this is release paper from vinyl, just so that my transfer won't stick to it. But these birds are pretty thick. Earlier I was chalking up some thinner wooden pieces, and my transfers were sticking to the paper. So I didn't want that, so I just put this vinyl release paper on. Again, I like using the jars of paste. It just makes it easier for me to dip my little squeegee in. But otherwise, there's paste packets in lots of colors, so you can experiment with those. I just felt like I was making a mess when I was using the paste packets. Kind of like I'm making a mess now. But I don't mind so much that some of that silver got worked up into here, but I'll go over that again. Oh boy. Okay. Now for the fun part. Nice. Is it perfect? No. Will it be on my tier tray? Yes. Oh, look, I missed a little at the top. Well, we've got a fix for that. Let's see if I'm focused. Just dab some on there. I'm making it worse. Okay. Again, if I don't like how this looks, I can just take my board eraser and wipe it all off. Start again. Seriously? What am I gonna do? I took my board eraser that is well loved and went to the sink with my bird and just wiped it off. I'm gonna redo it because I'm all about more practice and doing it again. So while that big bird is drying, I put the transfer on this little guy. Now you really don't have to defuzz him much on the fuzzing cloth because the only sticky parts are the teal parts. So you kind of want those to stick to your bird. So you don't really have to fuzz it a lot. And it's the same as the last bird, so I'll cut back and show you the peel and reveal. Decided to do this guy mostly silver with accents of red, opposite of what I'm doing for the big guy. Okay, you know what? I can live with that. Cool. Now I'll do his wing. I didn't even fuzz this because, again, only the teal part is going to stick to this little wooden wing, and I want it to stick. So it's going to go like this. So I think I'm going to give him a red wing. Peeling off the transfer for my wing. There we go. Put that in the water and let this dry. I redid the bird, changed it up a little bit. Oh, I gotta get a lot of ink there. Paste, I mean. Okay. Yay! Not the fiasco I had the first time. Okay. And now I gotta do his wing. These really don't take too long to dry. So I wanted to show you how I'm going to put the wings on. It comes with these really strong squares. And just peel the release paper off. This is why I don't do my nails, because I'm always using them for tools. Okay. How do I want this? Ooh, I think like that. And it sticks really well. Now, I'm not putting this one on the other side because I'll just put this in a little bag and keep it for when I decide to do the back. But I love that about these, that they're double-sided. And then I'm going to put this one on. Again, these birds were on sale. I think it was December sometime, and they were like $3.60 for both. And I grabbed a bunch. I will put Glenna's, Crafts by Glenna's, information in the description. She does Chalk Couture for a business. I can't get this off. Okay, there. She does it for a business, and she has lots of videos, and she is even much better at chalking than I am, and she's got a YouTube channel and Facebook group, And I just do it for the discount and for the fun, and they have really good sales. Plus these stand up on their own, and also a lot of their surfaces would make great backgrounds for finishing cross stitch, so I also like them for that reason. So yeah, these are my birds and I'm excited. I like them. I'm going to put them on my tiered tray, and I'll post a picture of that at the end. And this is my tiered tray. It's in the corner of our kitchen. I just put this on with some glue dots. And there's some little hearts that I quilted, quote unquote quilted. There's Toadette. And I'm pretty happy with how that's looking now. I think it's finally ready for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching.